What if every product had a brain? What if it could tell you where it's been, what it's made of, and what to do with it next? In the circular economy, that's not science fiction. It's digital reality. Welcome to the world of digital twins and product passports. Let's break it down. A digital twin is a virtual replica of a physical product. It holds real-time data about the item from design to disposal. It can track usage, performance, wear, repair history, and more. Think of it as the product's digital shadow. It updates as the product moves through its life cycle. From manufacturing to shipping to use to reuse or recycling. This data isn't just helpful, it's powerful. It enables smarter maintenance, faster repairs, better recycling, and lower waste. Let's take an example. Imagine a wind turbine blade with a digital twin. It tracks stress, repairs, and performance. When it's retired, we know exactly what materials were used and how to recycle them. Now scale that to every car, every appliance, every piece of furniture. That's the future of intelligent circulation. Then we have product passports. A product passport is a digital record of everything important about an item. It includes what it's made of, where the materials came from, how it was made, how to repair or disassemble it, how to reuse, resell, or recycle it. It's like a birth certificate, instruction manual, and end-of-life plan, all in one. And it stays with the product forever. Passports help customers make better choices. They help recyclers process materials more efficiently. They help designers learn what works and what doesn't. But here's where it gets even more exciting. Digital twins and product passports aren't just about individual items. They're about connecting the dots. Imagine a global digital network of materials and products with full transparency and traceability. That's the foundation for a truly circular economy. It opens the door to reverse logistics, predictive maintenance, and materials as a service. It reduces waste not just by recycling, but by designing better from the start. Let's look at companies already doing this. Philips uses product passports in their lighting systems to track parts and enable service contracts instead of outright sales. Patagonia is piloting traceable apparel, showing where each fiber and button comes from. Renault embeds digital twins in some car components, helping manage second-life battery use and recycling. Even entire buildings are getting digital twins. Construction materials are tagged and tracked for future reuse. This isn't just futuristic tech, it's infrastructure for the circular age. But we need standards, interoperability, privacy protections, and collaboration across industries. Governments in the EU are already moving. New rules will require product passports for textiles, electronics, and more. The goal? To make circularity the default, not the exception. Here's the takeaway. We can't manage what we don't measure, and we can't circulate what we can't trace. Digital twins and product passports bring intelligence to the physical world. They help us build smarter, waste less, and unlock new value. This is not just a digital upgrade. It's a circular transformation. This is how we close the loop with data.